How to change song on edits in Instagram app. Want to update the song in your post? Here's how you can easily change it in edits in Instagram app. First, open the app on your device and start editing your post or story. Once you are in the editing interface, look for the music option. Once you find it, tap on it and you will see a variety of songs you can choose from. You can search for a specific song or browse through different categories. When you find the song you want to use, and it will automatically be added to your post. If you want to use a specific part of the song, drag the slider to select the portion you want. Stuck on which song to choose? Let me know in the comments below and I'll suggest you some. And now you can easily change your song to match the vibe of your post. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.